Luna Classic is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Ladies and gentlemen, 82.4% of you have not subscribed to the channel. We are chipping at this very slowly, so if you guys want to do me a favor, hit that red button. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see from yesterday's video on Luna Classic, we were testing a very crucial resistance point here at 16. I mentioned, of course, from a bullish case scenario, in order for us to see a strong break above, we would actually have to use this level as support, and then a possible V-shaped formation could be at play. But as of right now, you can see that we actually failed to break above that level, and right now we are trading below our exponential moving averages. We have to be very careful here in order for us to look for a long position, because of the fact that you can see that the midterm support level that we do have created at the 15 support is being tested multiple times. As you guys already know, the more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. So I'm still looking forward to our major support level here at 14 to be tested once we break below this level here. And of course, once we see that retest opportunity, then we can start focusing more on our overall price analysis here at 86. The reason why, of course, our 86 support level is very important is because of the fact that it acts as a very strong daily support. You can see that we were in extreme oversold conditions, so this bounce was no surprise. Once we saw that bounce opportunity, we pretty much ended up right back to where we were. So this is why I'm saying the fact that if we do see a break below this 14 support level, we could be looking for a massive bearish engulfing candle retesting our major supports. Any break below this level, of course, we would have to wait for a possible retest in terms of resistance before we get that confirmation. What we don't want to see, of course, is that break of support and actually start to consolidate in between that level, because once you start to consolidate and we actually break above those exponential moving averages, that usually indicates, of course, that RSI was false and the fact that support was a fake out as well. Right now, though, you can see in terms of RSI, we are pretty much in the neutral territory, so there is quite a bit of room to actually push continue lower and see whether or not that 86 support level will be tested. Now, enough with the bearish case scenario. Let's talk about the bullish case scenario, and there are a few things I want to talk about. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that, of course, Luna Classic is in a V-shaped formation. As of right now, that V-shaped formation has been excluded, right, because of the fact that we couldn't see that break above. But we could be looking at a possible retest and something like this. There is a possible W formation being made, but it's very early to say whether or not that will be at play. Of course, once we retest our major support here at 14, get that second and third retest, then we can start focusing more on our overall targets. And speaking about the overall targets, in terms of the bullish case scenario, we would have to see a strong break above our 18 resistance level and find it as support. Again, we have broken above that level once, but we failed to hold that level as support. As you guys already know, in order for you to see whether or not it is a fake out, what you're looking for is a strong break above followed by an area of retest and then a continuation. If you don't see that move, of course, happen, then that means this is simply just a fake out. And you can see in terms of the 4 hour, we saw a beautiful double wick rejection pattern stick on the wicks. Even on the hourly time frames, you can see we are pretty much in a consolidated formation, but we are starting to see multiple bearish engulfing candles. Now, this is important. You guys can see that we do have a W formation being formed on the hourly. Any break up below this level would invalidate the fact that this W formation was at play, and we could be looking for a continuation to the downside, but be very careful looking for an entry right now. If this W formation does play out, you guys will know, of course, once we break above these exponential moving averages, then we can start looking for a possible long formation and that continuation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful